my name is Jessica, and this is our Rube Goldberg Simple Machine Science Fair projects.
Hi, my name is Jake Weimer, and my partner's name is Colin, and our project is called Mr. Popper's Balloon Popping Project.
First, you unscrew the C clamp, which releases the ball onto the first inclined plane. It goes down to ring the chimes and then falls onto the second inclined plane. The ball goes into the funnel, which moves the lever down, which pops a balloon on the other side, and the ball continues onto the third inclined plane. It hits the ball, which goes into the pulley, which goes down to pop a balloon, and the first ball continues onto the fourth inclined plane. It hits the wedge, continues onto the fifth inclined plane. It goes into the cup, which weighs the cup down, moving the wheel and axle to release the car with a point on the front of it, and pops the balloon.
I'm Corinne Colderbank, and this is my partner Alexis Furr, and this is our machine called the Ultimate Show-Stopping, Chart-Topping, Balloon-Popping, Mega-Bopping Machine. First, we take out this pin, and the marble will be released by wheel and axle. It goes down 2 inclined planes, into a funnel, down this tube, knocks off this cap. It has a domino effect. It will knock down the cart. At the same time, the medicine bottle will fall, the marble will be released, and go down this inclined plane, into this tube, down this funnel, into another tube, strike the roller, and the roller will go and pop a balloon and ring a bell, which will cause a pulley, and the weight will fall and hit the lever. It will come up and hit the balloon, and a flag will come up.
Hi, my name is Danielle Dustman, and this is my partner Jessica Corcoran, and this is our project, The Marvelous Marble Run.
Okay, so first we pull out this cardboard piece, which releases the marble, rolls down the first inclined plane, is dropped onto the first lever. There's a wedge on the end of this lever, goes up, pops the balloon. The marble continues down this lever, drops into the first funnel, drops into the first inclined plane, and hits a set of chimes on the way down, exits the inclined plane and enters a screw, continues into another inclined plane, drops into another funnel, rolls into the fourth inclined plane, sets off a wheel and axle, is dropped into the basket of a pulley. The pulley basket drops the marble into the final funnel, and the marble rolls down the last inclined plane, setting off 5 noisemakers, and then the marble is dropped onto the mousetrap, and the mousetrap is set off, and it pops the final balloon.
Hi, I'm Michael Croak, and this is my project, A Painful Ending. First, I'm going to release a marble from a C-clamp, and it's going to roll down an inclined plane. Then it'll ring a jingle bell and fall down another inclined plane into a pulley. It's going to go into the cup attached to these 2 pulleys, and it's going to activate this lever, which releases a marble that's sitting on top of another inclined plane. It's going to fall onto a wheel and axle, and then it's going to roll on another inclined plane, fall into a funnel, and release the razor blade and pop the final balloon.
Hi, I'm Dardiani, and this is my partner Jessica. And our machine is called the Bombing.Comming Explosion. So first, the marble inside of the funnel will spiral down. And as it spirals down, it'll go onto the inclined plane. When it goes into the lever, the ball will stay here, and the left side of the lever will pop the balloon. Then the marble will fall down and attach to the magnet, and on the pulley, the right side of the pulley, the balloon will pop. And then the marble will fall down and go off an inclined plane and hit the wheel and axle, and it'll pop another balloon.
My name is Nick Renrod, and this is the psychedelic popper. So first, I will remove the stick, and the ball will travel down the first inclined plane, hit the set of bells, and it will continue down the second inclined plane, hit a ring, which will release this rope through the pulley, drop the ice pick onto the balloon, which will pop. The lever will be forced up, and the nails on this end of the lever will pop this balloon. The ball will then continue through the funnel, around the screw, hit this wheel and axle, go down the inclined plane, fall through the hole, come down the last inclined plane, hit my wedge, and ring my second set of bells.
Hello, I'm Ben, and this is Frankie, and this is our project, the Balloon Crusher 9000.
So first we're going to unscrew the monkey wrench. The marble will fall down the inclined plane. It will hit the car. The car has a pin attached to it. And the car is going to go down the inclined plane and pop the balloon. The marble is going to go into this cup attached to a wheel and axle. The marble is going to drop out of the cup onto an inclined plane, into a pulley, come down to this inclined plane, roll off, hit the bell, roll off onto this inclined plane, hit the wedge. The wedge will release this hammer that will hit a lever, and this hammer that will hit a lever that has a nail attached to it, and it will pop our second balloon.
Hi, my name's Avery, and this is my partner Nick, and our project is called the Panda Popper.
First we'll unscrew the C-clamp, which will drop the ball into the first simple machine, which is an inclined plane. Then it will roll down and ring the 3 bells, go onto the first lever, which will spin the wheel and axle, and pop a balloon. And it'll go on to the next inclined plane onto another one, and it'll go down into the pulley, which will hit a lever and pop 4 balloons.
Hi, I'm Luke Mellis, and this is my partner Matt, and this is Simple Solutions.
So to start off our project, we have a C-clamp, which is a screw, and it will drop the ball bearing down the lever and onto the first inclined plane, and then into the funnel. Down the next inclined plane, it will hit a bell, then another bell, and then it will roll down this inclined plane, go into our wheel and axle, then down this inclined plane, hit this lever, and pop the first balloon. And then we'll go down this inclined plane, ring some chimes, come down here and hit the wedge, which has a pin on it, and pop the second balloon.
Hi, my name's Lauren.
And my name's Jess, and our balloon popper is named the Fantastic Fanatic Phillies Popper. But it's also a trivia game. We have 5 questions, 5 balloons, and 5 answers. Question number 1. Signed a year ago, this Philadelphia Phillies player was born on April 13, 1983. He currently plays right field and was originally from Texas. Question number 2. What is the Philadelphia Phillies mascot? Question number 3. Opened in April 12, 2004, Citizens Bank Park holds how many fans? Question number 4. This Phillies player graduated from Long Beach Polytechnic High in 1997. He currently plays second base. Question number 5. At Citizens Bank Park, how many hot dogs are expected to be eaten this year?
The popsicle stick will release the ball bearing, causing it to roll down the inclined plane onto the wheel. It'll roll off the wheel, but the wheel will also pop a balloon. The ball bearing will roll down the inclined plane onto the lever, pop a balloon, roll onto the other inclined plane, ring a bell, go through the funnel, roll down the inclined plane, drop through a hole onto another inclined plane, through the PVC elbow, into the cup, ringing a bell.
The first ball bearing will also hit the second ball bearing, causing it to roll onto the lever. The lever will pop a balloon. It'll roll in the cup, push the wedge down, separating two cars and popping balloons, landing in the Phillies helmets.
Was Hunter Pence. The answer to number 2 was the Phillies Fanatic. The answer to number 3 was 43,500 people. The answer to number 4 was Chase Utley. And the answer to number 5 was 1.25 million hot dogs.
My name is Nick, and this is my project. Okay, so how it works is it rolls down these 2 tracks, ringing the bells as it goes along. When it gets to the end, it hits the mousetrap to pop the balloon.
I'm Liam, and this is my project. I call it Fallout. So what happens first is a ball bearing rolls down an inclined plane into this lever, which dumps the ball into a funnel, makes it go down another inclined plane. It's going to ring a bell, go down another inclined plane. It goes down a lever and pops a balloon, then goes into the inclined plane, hits a wedge, rings a bell, which hits a lever, which triggers another lever, and also pops a balloon. And the other lever will put another ball bearing down a pulley, which would pop a balloon.
Hi, my name's Gianna, and this is It's a Bird playing the balloon popper. And what happens first is the ball goes down the inclined plane into a wheel and axle, down another inclined plane into a funnel, then into a lever, which is going to pop the first balloon, then continues down the inclined plane, setting off chimes, and then into another wheel and axle, down the last inclined plane, and then into a pulley, which should release this gate, which lets this car go down and